for the right vehicle? Check out 2018 Chevrolet Spark. Chevy Spark, Chevrolet's first mini car, offers effortless driving on congested highways and roads with excellent fuel economy. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, electronic stability control, trip computer, rear window defroster, power windows, security system, fog lights, Sirius satellite radio, tachometer, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, brake assist, rear window wiper, cloth seat trim, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel. Come see the car for yourself.